Hello. Hi Kanchan. Hello. Hi Sejal. Hello, the Moha Live. Hello everyone. And here we are. Hi
Hello.
Sejal. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Same here.
All well?
Coping up, yes, with the current
I
ongoing
know.
tough situation. But yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is. Right now, we all have to really worry about our health. And
Yeah.
that's what we're going to talk about today. All about immunity and the herbs because we have just realized that everybody's having, but people need acknowledgement whether they're doing it correct or not,
Correct.
right?
So let me introduce to people who've joined in exactly what we are going to talk about. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Sejal Jain and welcome you back to the brand new episode of Kafol Care Campaign, which is a great initiative by country's Ayurved leader Charak Pharma. घर का हर बच्चा बच्चा जानता what is immunity, right? Like at least the terminology, everyone is speaking about it. It's like life saving right now. But exactly, people are not aware what it is, what are the correct herbs, immunity boosters, like you said, quantity, kitna lena chahiye, how much, when to be taken. So this all will be told. This all will be like we will all understand exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, the by my favorite Dr. Manisha Mishra, who is practicing in Ayurveda since 2 decades. I think more than 2 decades, and she's also the medical advisor to Charak Pharma. So I welcome you, Dr. Manisha Mishra.
Hello. Sejal, hi. So Dr. Sejal and me, we will be discussing everything about immune boosting and herbs and food and diet, whatever we can talk about, which you have to understand in perspective of immunity. We'll discuss this in next 40-45 minutes. We will take your questions too. And we are happy that you people are joining us. And the
Yeah.
talk is all going to be pretty simple, asan bhasha mein. We will start discussing. First thing is, what is
What
immunity?
is immunity?
What do you
What is
think, Sejal,
immunity
we
and
should
what
tell
are the
people?
immune boosting herbs? Please tell us.
Yes. So immunity for all. Now, since it's a buzzword since almost 1 year now, not today, we are sailing in the same boat for the past 1 year. And this concept of immunity all of a sudden uh, started dawning upon us that we have to know about immunity
Yeah.
and develop it and protect it. So immunity is basically in on this planet right now. I'm surrounded by many microorganisms, and my body is so beautiful, like yours and everybody else, which has its own defense system where we can fight on a daily basis with every chota mota microbe and virus and bacteria, and we don't even know about.
Correct.
So our skin is a protective barrier, our nasal mucosa, oral mucosa, eyes, they all have those barriers, which is their own immunity, and they protect us. So immunity is all about our body having soldiers which defend us against various microorganisms which are present right now in our vicinity. And if you don't have good immunity, you are liable to keep on falling sick quite often.
Yeah.
So that is immunity. Coming back to, are there types?
Types of
So
immunity, yes.
yes. So one, बड़ी बड़ी भाषा नहीं बोलेंगे. We'll just divide it into two major parts. One is we are born with,
Yeah.
which is our innate immunity.
Inherited.
So
Yeah.
some people भी say ना कि हमारी immunity weak है, ये है, वो है. Some people are born with it. So innate immunity is something कि it's like our door, which will not welcome anybody unless we open it. So that is our first line of defense. So it could be against डस्ट एलर्जी बोलते हैं, अरे हमको डस्ट एलर्जी है, धुआं एलर्जी है. So that is our first line of defense. They don't recognize, is it a germ, is it a microorganism, is it a dust particle. They will go and fight anything which is invading our body. So that is innate immunity. Second is adaptive or acquired, which happens when we have some infection, which is usually bacterial, viral. So there are soldiers in our body, in the white blood cells. When you see your, आजकल सब CBC report कराते हैं, complete blood count, and you
Yes.
see a lot of words like lymphocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils. So these basically are our soldiers which are protected. So adaptive immunity is all about having an infection, fighting it, and then remembering ki, okay, ye to mera enemy hai, next time if I see him I will fight him. So there is that memory in there. So
Remembrance, yeah.
yes, so whenever we have flus, remember, next time हमको नहीं होता, हमको लगता है 3 दिन के बाद when we are fine we'll not have this flu again. So this is the memory they create. They take a picture of that virus or bacteria and they create immunity against it, so you don't fall ill with the same infection again and again. So that is adaptive immunity, and all these things are dependent on our nutrition, on the environment we live in. If it is too toxic, our immunity is compromised. And how our mental status is, which will be spoken in tomorrow's session. So I'll not touch it. So this is mota immunity, innate immunity, and adaptive immunity. So now you can ask me more.
So, but how do you understand that your immunity is weak? हमें कैसे पता चलता है, like once you feel like certain symptoms?
Yes. So first of all, we should know what is weak or sensitive immunity. So we know we have seasonal changes, and accordingly our immunity becomes a little compromised during seasonal change. We all have flus. So having 2-3 cold cough bouts in an year is okay. But if you are having more than 2-3 cold and cough bouts, it is a sign of weak immunity. Frequent infections, any kind. Frequent infections, you have weak immunity. You are feeling tired all the time. There is fatigue, there is tiredness. You feel absolutely कि आज सुबह उठना ही नहीं है. If these are the feelings, then you have compromised immunity. आपको चोट लग गई है, and it takes more time to heal. Ideally 3 to 4 days it's done. But if you're taking more time to heal, that means you have compromised immunity or you have weak immunity. And one more thing, if you have cold or cough, it's a viral origin. 3 to 5 days में resolve हो जाना चाहिए. If your body is taking more time to heal from simple cold flu infections, that means you have weak immunity. Apart from that, you also have sensitive immunity. सुबह उठते ही छींकना शुरू किया, that is highly sensitive immunity. Sensitive is what हमको नहीं कोई बोल देता emotionally कुछ and we start howling. That is the same thing with our immunity. It is sensitive to dust. You can't clean your house. You can't dust your house because you will start sneezing. So that is overly sensitive immunity. For that also you require strengthening. So when we talk about immune boosting herbs or immune boosters, we talk about strengthening our body through food, diet, or herbs. So that is what we are talking about. Second question is, how does my immunity weaken? होती कैसे है? मैंने पहले बताया कि nutrition. If you are not eating well, your immunity will be weak. I told you there are soldiers. They also need food. If you're not eating well, they are not well nourished. So, second, if you have very poor digestion, see, it is all about nourishment. So, poor digestion is leading to weaker immunity. Then comes the lifestyle. If you have poor lifestyle, which right now people in your age group, almost everybody has. How many people wake up in the morning or exercise or have proper breakfast and they are not rushing through everything in life? So that lifestyle problem, sleeping late,
sedentary lifestyle,
sedentary, yes, smoking, a little bit of weekend alcohol, all these contribute to a weaker immune system. Plus, sometimes it is genetic also. There are some people who are born with immune compromised conditions. They are born like that. So they have to be well protected. They have to take care of immunity. Then comorbid condition, पढ़ के सबको पता है. There are news channels throwing it. If you have obesity, if you have hypertension, if you have diabetes, which happens आजकल तो बहुत जल्दी हो रहा है, but in late 40s everybody will have to face 1 or 2 things. So all these things have to be taken into picture so that you don't suffer from weak immunity. So these are the factors which decide. And obviously the environment we live in, how clean the air is, air pollution affects, sound pollution affects, food, What kind of food are we eating, putting on the table, which cannot be changed. It is not in our hands. So we have to change what we can, which is in our hands, which is eating correct and having a little discipline in life. So yes.
That's true. That's true. This is all about your lifestyle, which really matters when it comes to anything related to health or immunity specifically here. But do supplements really? I mean, I know they work, but you know how much do they work and how long one should take it? Like it's like people are just vitamin C lena hai, zinc lena hai, lete rahe. So I just want to know exactly how does these really affect and long term effect, because everything in excess is gonna cause problem.
So what are you taking for? There are two aspects to immunity. One is we're talking about building it, strengthening it. So strengthening is a slow process. It will not happen overnight कि मैंने 2 दिन vitamin C लिया या सब supplement लिया and I'm fine. It does not happen like that. Even people who are taking vaccines, vaccine का antibody बनने में minimum 2 weeks लगता है if you have a healthy lifestyle, or maybe 3 weeks. So for 1 month, you are in a situation your body is still fighting it. सो इफ एंटीबॉडी बनने में इतना टाइम लगता है तो सिमिलरली वही एंटीबॉडी जैसा ही सारा मैकेनिज्म विद इम्यून बूस्टिंग भी होता है. इम्यून बूस्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट करेक्टिंग टॉप टू बॉटम योर इम्यून सिस्टम. सो आप इम्यून बूस्टिंग, इम्यून एनहांसिंग, ये वर्ड्स की जगह इम्यून मॉड्यूलेशन इज अ करेक्ट वर्ड where you modulate your immunity so that it is not too high or it is not too low. You're not immune suppressed or heightened immunity, sensitive immunity. We will modulate it to normal levels. So yes, vitamin C kitne din? Any vitamin should be taken for minimum 3 months for it to show effect. You can take vitamin C, vitamin D or zinc. Minimum 3 months is the time. So what do this I'll talk about supplements, we'll come to herbs later. So these supplements are vital for your growth of white blood cells, which are your soldiers, which will strengthen your immunity. So your white blood cells, they are antioxidants also, they are anti-inflammatory also. Now, ये इतने बड़े-बड़े शब्द, do you think most people understand what is an antioxidant?
Do you think, sorry?
What is an antioxidant?
Antioxidant is a very important thing, which is like, going to keep your skin good, your overall helps in kind of hormonal changes also. So it's very important. So maintain karna bhi bahut zaruri hai.
So let's understand what is an antioxidant. Why do we emphasize so much on having an antioxidant? May it be herbs or may it be supplements. So on a daily basis, if I am eating, digesting, breathing, some sort of oxidation or release of oxygen or free radicals happens, which is normal. But due to our erratic lifestyle, we create more of such damaging molecules. तो ये क्या करते हैं, जो आके healthy cells, have you seen apple काट के रखा तो काला हो जाता है? That is oxidation, जल जाता है. कील ठोक के रखी थोड़े दिन हवा में, जंग लगती है, that rusting. This is oxidation. And similar thing happens when we have excessive oxidation in our body. Our simple, small cells start burning, they start getting fatigued, there's wear and tear, and antioxidants go and repair this damage. तो वो हमारे शरीर को जंग नहीं लगने देते. They protect us from all these nitty-gritty damages. And that is why having antioxidants in our diet is absolutely necessary. Now the second word is anti-inflammatory. We use it very randomly. Arey, inflammation dur karna hai. But then what is inflammation? Sejal, what do you think is inflammation?
Inflammation is the body response. अगर कुछ infection हो गया या कुछ भी गड़बड़ होगी, let's say गड़बड़, like something which is not right in the body, it's not used to, something foreign entering the body, it will show a response. Response could be for anything. It could be for the wound, it could be for the infection, it could be something its body. In fact, fever जो होता है is also a symptom. It's kind of inflammation of the body. So basically, yes. So that is something.
So that's what. So inflammation happens when something has irritated your entire mechanism. So sore throat is the inflammation of the throat.
Yes.
Sinusitis, sinus inflamed is the inflammation of your sinuses. When you're running nose and your nose turns red, that is inflammation of your nostrils. Headache during cold is inflammation of these sinuses. Aankh lal hona during viral infection, that pink eye you call it, it's inflammation of your eye.
Eyes.
So anti-inflammatory, when we talk about, it takes away all this inflammation for your body. Because जितना inflammation होगा, उतना body का response ज़्यादा होगा towards healing it, and sometimes it might backfire. It might cause pain, it might cause excessive damage. So isliye we take herbs or supplements which are anti-inflammatory. So when I'm going to talk about immune boosting or immune modulating herbs, they are antioxidants, they are anti-inflammatory, they modulate your immunity. So they will, if your immunity is low, they will bring it up. If it is very high, they will bring it down, and it happens. ये दोनों चीजें शरीर में होती रहती. So there's a balance in your thing. Apart from that, you know what beautiful things happen when you take immune boosters or immune modulators? They improve your digestion and metabolism. Unless you have a good digestion, the nourishment does not reach the tissues. So you're always tired and fatigued, and oxygen cell को नहीं पहुंचेगा तो you feel low ना. Hydration cell को नहीं पहुंचेगा तो you'll feel low. Glucose नहीं पहुंचेगा. So that micro circulation improvement is done by herbs. So these are all the things they manage. Also, they improve your overall health. And apart from that, all the immunomodulatory herbs are adaptogenic. So what is this word called adaptogenic? Basically, it reduces your stress. So physical as well as mental. So we need immune boosting herbs on a daily basis as a preventive measure. And when you have some illness, then as a curative measure. So these are all the reasons why we should have, in the current times, an immune modulating or immune boosting supplement in our diet for good digestion metabolism, for antioxidant action, for anti-inflammatory action, for microcirculation, for proper nourishment of tissues, and a balance of mind and body. So all these things are taken care of by immune boosting herbs. Can you name a few? Give me an example.
The immune boosting herbs, like
yes.
I would say mint leaves, pudina is really nice. There is black pepper, people take a lot for immunity. I use ginger. Ginger is my favorite. Like I don't know if it is in the category or not, but I take it throughout, and throat के लिए बहुत सही रहता है for me. What else? Lemon is not counted in herbs, but it is very important. Or is it counted in herbs?
It's a fruit, but right now the herb, the definition has gone everywhere. So spices are also herbs. Yeah. Fruits also become herbs. So it's up to you how people expect the definition of herb. What is up to them. So seeds, food, everything has become herbs. So let's come to some important ones which people are having currently. And I'll tell you how to have it. सबसे पहले
just 1 second. I would like to tell these audience, guys, इसके लिए ये जो भी अभी बताने वाले, you guys don't have to go outside. These all things are available right in your house, right in your kitchen, and it's so important and so the guidelines will be very simple. So hear it carefully. Let's get started.
Yeah. So सबसे पहले let's talk about haldi. You know, our basic spice.
Turmeric.
So the what do you call it? There's a fancy word called turmeric latte, and haldi wala doodh.
Haldi wala doodh. Yeah.
Haldi wala doodh. So haldi is so amazing, and you just need half a teaspoon in an entire day. You don't need a lot of haldi. And in a cup of milk, if you're having haldi wala doodh. So that is a good thing to have. As I said, all immune boosting herbs have this potential of antioxidation and anti-inflammatory. आप हल्दी शहद के साथ भी खाओ तो it will take care of your nasal discharge and sore throats. Also, haldi is a wonderful anti-allergy. So people who continuously have sneezing and stuff like that, frequent exposure to dust causes them allergic reaction. Haldi is a thing to try. Because if you continuous, in spite of that, आपके दाल में है, सब्जी में, understood, but you still have haldi either with शहद or milk or any supplement which has haldi. and you continuously have it for 3 months, you will get rid of all the allergic problems. It will strengthen your immunity so well that you will not have allergic reactions to everything. Haldi also is good for skin problems. Yeah.
Okay. नहीं
Yeah.
एक तो चीज ये थी कि हल्दी समथिंग सो इम्पोर्टेंट, लाइक इंडिया में तो हम यूज कर रहे हैं बहुत, यू नो माई लॉट ऑफ पेशेंट्स हु हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग, वो बोलते हैं कि हल्दी हमको कैप्सूल में लिटरली टर्मरिक दे रहे हैं, मतलब इट इज सो गुड. नाउ आई वाज लाइक दैट मे बी नॉट द राइट फॉर्म टू टेक इट बिकॉज वो रॉ हो गई. तो आप मुझे बताइएगा कि एक्चुअली रॉ हल्दी इज गुड और यू शुड ऑलवेज यू नो हीट इट विद सम वाटर और मिल्क टू गेट इट राइट. And somebody also asked, does it increases heat in the body? So I want to,
Okay.
to please help us with these two things. Yeah.
So let's go to Ayurveda to understand the heat part. So haldi garam hai, but haldi ka jo taste hai, it is a little, it's bitter to taste. That reduces your fiery element. इसलिए हल्दी दूध के साथ लेने को बोलते हैं, so that heat neutralizes with milk, or you can have it with honey, or you can have it with ghee. What you can mix haldi and ghee. If you have a lot of dry cough, haldi, आधा चम्मच haldi, 2 drops of ghee and half a teaspoon of honey. ये तीनों mix करके खाइए. You will not have dry cough. That will be
Can you
taken
please
care of.
repeat that again? I think there was a disturbance. Ghee, because I want to do it for my mom. She has dry cough, bronchitis जैसा रहता है उनको.
Yes, please do it. So half a cup of haldi powder, half a चम्मच, sorry, half a चम्मच teaspoon, उसमें 2 drop ghee and half a teaspoon of शहद. You will make a paste out of it. So just give it to lick very often. That will take care of a dry cough.
Warm करना है इसे कि it's just normal temperature.
हल्दी is a lipophilic. Lipophilic मतलब वो लिपिड से ज्यादा easily absorb हो जाती है. There are 2-3 components to हल्दी. एक herb multiple चीजों से बना हुआ. So there is one component called curcumin which gives it that orange yellow color. The other part is हल्दी जब हम पाउडर की तरह खाते हैं तो it also becomes a prebiotic to our intestinal bacteria. हम ये probiotic बड़ा सुनते हैं, but there is also a concept of prebiotic.
Yeah.
Bacteria है, they also need some food, right? Fiber is their food. So all our herbs become food for healthy bacterial group.
Healthy bacteria, which we need. Yeah.
Yes. So हल्दी आपने ऐसे ही जब चाट के खाई तो it will go to your gut. It gets थोड़ा सा chemistry here. हल्दी does not get absorbed in acidic pH, तो stomach में उसका कुछ नहीं होता. But the moment it reaches the duodenum, which is alkaline pH, above 7, it easily dissolves and gets absorbed there. So gut bacteria have a feast. That's their party time when they get haldi to eat. So they grow yeah, and they make vitamins and they make serotonins and they make multiple things which are beneficial for you.
तो एक बार तो लेना ही चाहिए. This haldi latte, what we spoke about.
Haldi latte. I find it very fancy. हमारा हल्दी का दूध बचपन में कभी नहीं पिया, but right now we'll go to a restaurant and order for a haldi latte. So there is haldi.
But I'm very good with the milk का जो भी form. So haldi latte is gonna be my today's tonic.
Just add a little pepper to it. If you have cold, if you don't have cold, don't add. So pepper improves the digestion of haldi. A pinch of pepper. So coming to pepper. Now that I've started pepper. Pepper is also very good for enhancing immunity, improving digestion, removing toxins from the video got disconnected. Okay. So coming to pepper, I was talking about it is antibacterial, it is antiviral, improves digestion and removes toxins from the body. Also, people who have suffered from cold and flu, generally आप देखोगे भूख कम हो जाती है. Yeah. So at that time, pepper improves appetite. So pepper is good when you actually have cold. And pepper again, if you fry 4-5 pepper in ghee and have it with उसको powder कर लीजिए, उसमें शहद डाल के खाइए. Again, good for sore throat and people who have this dry cough, which is currently very often with most people. So pepper in ghee. Ghee is must to take care of dry cough. बहुत dry cough है.
You mentioned about people who lose their appetite. COVID cases में ये बहुत सुनने में आ रहा है कि they are losing their appetite right now and weak हो रहे हैं, पतले हो रहे हैं. So I think this remedy can really work, like ghee with black pepper, right?
Yes, it will work. You can also जब मैं इतनी सारी supplements बोल ही रही हूँ, when I'm talking about haldi, I'm talking about pepper, we'll come to the third part, which is triphala. हर किसी ने खाया है, पिया है बचपन में, हाँ. So triphala again has all these wonderful properties. Apart from it, triphala is made up of amla, behda, and bibitik. So when amla is a rich source of vitamin C and multiple beautiful elements with amino acids, with a little selenium, trace micronutrients, सब मिलता है उसमें. So once you have triphala, you almost are taking care of every part of your body. It's a rasayan in Ayurveda, and rasayans are immune enhancers as per Ayurveda. So आपके बाल गिर रहे हैं, स्किन में झुर्रियां पड़ रही हैं, आंखें खराब हो रही हैं, triphala is a go-to drug. Is a go-to mixture of herbs, and you can have it for an entire year. Like everything else I'm saying for 2-3 months, triphala is something which can be had for an entire year, and it is absolutely amazing. You can have half chammach, you can make a kadha out of it.
It's like that jadi booty now.
Everything I'm talking is jadi booty only.
Jadi booty.
Someday I'll wear jadi booty and walk. So yes, it is jadi booty.
True.
True. Triphala is three is three, and phala is fruit. So all these things are big tree ka chota fruits. So they are fruits. So yes, jadi booty, usually what we feel is something जो हमने खोद के निकाली है, jad and some, I don't know, that word is fancy. Yeah. We don't use it anymore. So yes, triphala is one good thing to have. People can have.
I meant like miraculous results.
Yeah. Triphala gargles. Haldi ke bhi gargles. Haldi, I forgot to mention one thing. People who have a lot of allergic running nose, they can put haldi on a tawa, haldi powder, और उसकी जो भाप है उसको सूंघेंगे, जो धुआं निकलता है, it will take care of your cold. It works. Like you take other things na, eucalyptus oil and whatnot. You can also try that with haldi. Haldi को आप तवे पे धुआं करें and just take that धुआं. It takes care of your cold. It works nicely. So हो गया, कितनी सारी herbs हो गई, अभी कुछ बाकी है? हो गया triphala, haldi, pepper, pipli. Let's talk about long pepper.
Okay.
Pipli. So pipli is again an adaptogen or rasayan as per Ayurveda. And when you have lung problems, it is supposed to strengthen your respiratory system. So it is a immune enhancer for the entire respiratory system. So usually we tell it कि थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ा बढ़ा के खाया जाए, and मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा powder. Better than pepper is pipli because it ends up nourishing your tissues very well. So pipli again with milk, pipli as a powder, or trikatu as a powder. Trikatu is ginger, black pepper, and long pepper. So leaving that, we'll come to ginger. Ginger ka some chemistry I have to share with people before they make mistakes. So there is two type of ginger. One is raw ginger, one is dry ginger. One is जिसको हम अदरक कहते हैं, दूसरे को सोंठ कहते हैं. So अदरक is not suitable for people who constantly have acidity. Why? Because अदरक का जो छिलका है उसके नीचे there are very pungent oils. They are known as gingerols. So if you use that very often, आपको acidity flare-ups होते जाएंगे. And how is sont made? Sont is made after removing that chilka of adrak and drying it in the sun. So sont has no oil. It is very, when it's digested, it is cooling and it is sweet. So जैसे आप छिलका हटा दो, that pungent thing goes away and sont becomes suitable to everybody. And that is why trikatu is recommended for everyone. Sont is again, हमारे आयुर्वेद में इसको विश्व भेषज कहते हैं. विश्व is the world, bheshaj is medicine. Suitable to everybody, right from small child to an elderly. You can apply it on your matha when you have ginger powder. You can lick it with honey. You can make chai out of it. You can spice up your
buttermilk also. Tastes good.
You can add it to buttermilk also. Yes. Yeah. Salt is, and there's a lot of Kashmiri cooking use salt as a spice, and that's very yummy. So
kahwa is something they have, which उसमें भी आता है.
Kahwa is made of badam. Kahwa is a very nourishing drink. So it has chai wine. It's a namkeen chai with a lot of dry fruits. So it's strengthening in winters. So kahwa is a winter drink.
Okay.
छोटे छोटे आलमंड के पीसेस होते हैं नीचे, and then black chai with a little cinnamon, with a little salt and multiple things, a little sauce also, उसमें सौंफ भी पड़ी होती है. तो kahwa is very tasty. So yes, kahwa is not summer season drink, huh? But if you have cold, please go ahead and have kahwa.
हाँ.
If you are suffering, then whatever is necessary for winter is also necessary for summer then. So I think I have covered a lot of herbs. And when I'm talking about all these herbs, I can also mention, if you don't want to eat it individually, most of it are present in the Kofol immunity tablets. There's Guduchi, we forgot Giloy,
Giloy.
the talk of the town. So it reduces fever. Giloy is immune enhancer. It is also used in diseases. So you can take as a preventive. You can also take when you're suffering from fever, from cold, from liver problems. Metabolism improve करने के लिए, from diabetes. It also covers a lot of things. And Giloy is one of those herbs which also improves gut microbiota. It is a food to the bacteria in the gut. So it is a wonderful, wonderful medicine. It also reduces acidity. So people who have acidity flare-ups will have compromised immunity. So if you have Giloy, your acidity is completely gone.
Awesome.
And this
My
I'm
mom
telling
is
to
just
all the
listening to the
youngsters who
same
follow
and
you.
saying, "अरे बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा." Telling neighbors, I can just hear that.
So this I have to there's a message for all the youngsters who are your age.
Yeah.
Please remember this current situation. Let's not take things lightly. Though I'm telling it with all the seriousness. You need to strengthen your immunity. It is necessary at this point in time because youngsters are also falling ill. You are the people who will take care of the bacha party and also the elderly. So if you are not immunosufficient, there are people who are depending on you. So be sure that you are eating well, you are sleeping well, you are taking your immune enhancing herbs, you are stepping out with masking up. Please do it. You wash your hands, you take good care of yourself because it is necessary. The way we are hearing news, I'm really sad and upset, and I really want people to follow everything that is possible so that you remain healthy.
Yeah, it's so important right now to have the correct immunity, correct lifestyle, exercise also in a way to keep your immune system strong and remain healthy. Otherwise, we will end up in a problem if we don't do our bit.
So, do people want to know how to have kadha? Kadha is one thing which I have been hearing since long. कि काढ़ा कब लें, कैसे लें, क्यों लें? तो अब दो तरह के काढ़े होते हैं. एक तो जो हम चाय बना के पीते हैं, which is like a preventive काढ़ा. तो उसमें आपने तुलसी डाल दिया, उसमें आपने मुलेठी डाल दी, उसमें आपने थोड़ी दालचीनी डाल दी. It's good. अदरक डाल दिया. That's on a regular basis. And how much to have, but and how much to boil. डालें कितना, बनाए कितना, उबाले कितना.
और क्या क्या डाले, दैट ऑल, मतलब कितने सारे लोग क्या क्या व्हाट्सएप पे चलता रहता है, एवरीवन इज सेइंग समथिंग और द अदर. सो बेस्ट वंस टू बी एडेड एंड शुड हाउ मच डू वी हैव इट, और कितना गरम भी पीना चाहिए, बिकॉज समवन लाइक ज्यादा गरम पियो एंड ऑल दैट इज टू स्कैरी.
नहीं, ज्यादा गरम छाले थोड़ी डाल रहे हैं. वी हैव वन माउथ, वन
I've heard of cases like that. Lymphadenopathy, lymph swelling.
No, I have there are people who drink kadha 4-5 times in a day, which is like crazy. Then there are people who gargle 10 times in a day. I think you will take away the throat mucosa and throw it somewhere else. You will have some other problems.
चीजें चल जाएगी.
The panic makes people overdo things. Yeah, कभी करेंगे नहीं, and once you do it, they will do everything. See the problem? कभी नहीं किया पर अब आप सब करूँगा. And also at this before we go to kadha, I want to tell, don't take multiple things at one go. Ayurvedic भी, homeopathy भी, ये भी, वो भी. You decide. If you think this is appealing to you and this is suiting you, have that. Don't keep on discovering new things. And WhatsApp पे forward आया है, WhatsApp का लेना, there is no person responsible for it.
Yeah.
So few things are good.
Yeah.
Always consult your doctor or your healthcare professional or somebody who has been through it and who has taken it or who knows about it.
Yeah.
Then you go ahead and try it.
Yeah.
it is very necessary that you, because last year many people over drinking of kadha have suffered from acidity and also bleeding piles. So kitna peena chahiye? Now in summer season, what should you drink? What should your kadha have? Your kadha should have tulsi, your kadha should have guruchi, giloy, your kadha should have mulethi, yashti madhu, licorice. हाँ, वो मीठी लकड़ी जो आती है, लौंग. लौंग इज एक्चुअली कूलिंग. पीपल थिंक लौंग गर्म होती है, पर लौंग ठंडी होती है. लौंग से एसिडिटी ठीक होती है. सो जस्ट वन अपडेट सो दैट एवरीबडी नोज.
Yeah, even I'm not aware वो लौंग को मेहंदी गरम करो और मतलब it's like heating up. It's going to be cooling. Okay, nice.
एक तो वो मेहंदी का कॉन्सेप्ट ही अलग है. someday maybe we'll talk about what are the tattoos which should be done and long talk on that. So long is ठंडा. So ये 3-4 चीजें and soaked. And how do you boil it? Since these are all aromatic compounds, ये सबकी खुशबू है, तो आप पहले पानी बॉईल करें. उसके बाद थोड़ा पानी अच्छी तरह बॉईल हो जाए, देन यू ऐड दीज थिंग्स. एंड सपोज आपने एक छोटा चम्मच 3-4 लौंग लिया, गिलोय का एक छोटा चम्मच लिया, मुलेठी का एक छोटा चम्मच, ये पाउडर की बात कर रही हूँ, और छोटा दालचीनी का टुकड़ा लिया. इसको 1 ग्लास पानी में डाला एंड यू बॉईल इट डाउन टू हाफ. छानो और पी जाओ एट दैट वन गो. अगर आपने सपोज 2 ग्लास में बनाया 2-2 चम्मच डाल के, यू 8 घंटे के अंदर आपको ये काढ़ा खत्म करना है. एट वन गो यू शुड हैव नॉट मोर देन 40-50 ml. छोटा कप भर के. द कप शुड बी अराउंड दिस साइज, उसमें भी आधा. दैट्स द काढ़े का अमाउंट. आपको हाँ बहुत सारा नहीं पीना है. इट इज योर स्टमक, यू डोंट नीड सो मच. जितना एक बड़े उसमें आएगा मग में, उतना ही क्वांटिटी छोटे में लीजिए. और कितना गरम, विच यू कैन हैव. उबलता गरम नहीं. इफ यू वांट lukewarm, you have lukewarm. If you want a little piping hot, you have piping hot. And काढ़ा खाली पेट नहीं लेना होता है. You have it after breakfast. Don't have it खाली पेट. You will always have acidity problems. So आप सुबह कुछ खा लें, इसके ऊपर काढ़ा पी लें. If you're having the नींबू का chai and little honey in it, that can be had an empty stomach. That is good enough. And similarly, काढ़ा in the evening only after having some snack. Do not have it empty stomach. अब इसमें आप रोज काली मिर्ची डाल डाल के उबालते जाएंगे, यू विल लैंड इन ट्रबल विद एसिडिटी. सो ये जो मैंने 4 चीजें बताई, दिस इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर योर काढ़ा फॉर समर सीजन्स, बिकॉज दीज आर कूलिंग वंस एंड दे आल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ योर कोल्ड. They take away your infections. They are antivirals. They give you good flavonoids. So ये अच्छा है. अब आप उसी में अब काली मिर्ची डालोगे, सब कुछ डालोगे, don't do it. This is too much. तुलसी is fine. तुलसी ज्यादा बॉईल नहीं करें. तुलसी खानी है तो पाउडर खाएं, या तो उसका थोड़ा सा रस, या तो ऐसे 4 पत्ती चबा के खा लें, which is good. You get oils, tulsi oils. If you want, you can use. Don't boil tulsi. It denatures the volatile compound. ये जो उसके खुशबूदार चीजें होती है, they just evaporate. Then you're not getting any benefit out.
Yeah.
This is a kadha for garmi. This is what I'm suggesting every. Okay. So what else?
There's a question. Let's take some questions as well. Does one need to do diet change after COVID recovery? It's been a month. Okay. Create with heart.
Yes. Yes. Okay. COVID recovery के बाद क्या होता है? There's a lot of fatigue. All your few things everybody should understand. When you're going through COVID treatment, whatever medicines you're taking, an antiviral and antibiotic, it does not know how to differentiate between a healthy cell and an unhealthy cell. It will destroy everything.
Yeah.
Antibiotics do not know this is good bacteria, this is bad bacteria. They will take away everything. So then your body needs nourishment so that they can feed your bacteria, they can create new cells. And जब तक नए cells नहीं बनेंगे, तब तक energy नहीं मिलेगी, because those are our powerhouse. They get energy and everything. So your food should be post recovery. बहुत हल्का खाना खाएं, गरम खाएं. Start with खिचड़ी. Have ghee in it. मूंग दाल की खिचड़ी, ghee, a little buttermilk. This is what you should start with. Ensure that you're having enough proteins. तुरंत dry fruit मत खाने बैठ जाना. You will not be able to digest.
Okay.
पोस्ट रिकवरी आपका डाइजेशन बहुत वीक होता है. हैव एन इम्यून एनहांसिंग सप्लीमेंट और अ हर्ब. लाइक मैंने इतना सब बोला, वी हैव कोफॉल इम्यूनिटी टैबलेट्स फ्रॉम चरक फार्मा. दे आर वेरी गुड पोस्ट कोविड रिकवरी. सो हैव दैट 1 tablet twice a day. Food is प्रोटीन्स, if you're non-veg, have 1 अंडा डेली, 1 से 2 एग डेफिनेटली खाओ, या तो एक बोल भर के दाल का सूप, दाल का पानी, चिकन सूप necessary, 1 fruit necessary, but what kind of fruit? Not banana. You can have papaya, you can have an apple, you can have berries if you have at home. What अभी season है of वो muskmelons, तो थोड़ा सा muskmelon, ये सारी चीजें आर गुड टू गो. इफ पॉसिबल रोज 4-5 मुनक्का, ब्लैक रेजिन्स खाना ही है. These are all antioxidant rich food which will give you instant energy. The moment you feel low, थोड़ी सी किशमिश खा लो, you will feel better. They will improve your digestion, they will give you glucose, they will make you feel energetic. 2 बार दूध जरूर पीना है if you like milk. If you don't like milk, then it is up to you. So these are the changes you must do. लीफी वेजिटेबल्स तुरंत नहीं खाइए, सीजन भी नहीं है. लीफी वेजिटेबल्स आर डिफिकल्ट टू डाइजेस्ट, तो स्टिक टू लौकी, pumpkins, I think what is the season? Bhindi is good. This is the season for bhindi. Brinjal is the season. Parwal is the season. इन्हीं सबको मिला के खाइए. Don't go for leafy vegetables right now. If you want, you can just make soup out of it. Add some black pepper, some cinnamon, some salt, and just have it. Divide your meals every 3-4 hourly and have thoda at one point in time. Don't have too much of food. Give your stomach a rest. This will help recover fast.
Great. There's one more question. Yes, most of the things are very hot for body. Something specific for summer with cooling effect.
I told you, guduchi, मुलेठी, लौंग, ये 3 आप पी सकते हो. इसी में अगर आपको डालना है तो चिरायता डालो. चिरायता is more of a liver detox and you will not like the taste because it's very kadwa. Mulethi and guduchi are amazing. You can add triphala to it. Triphala is cooling.
Triphala is cooling. And they can also add something like basil seeds or chia seeds add कर सकते हैं उनके fluids में.
That's to their food. I was talking about kadha. To their food, yes. Tulsi ka beach. They can add sabja, chia seeds. That can be added. Yes, you're right.
All right. Yeah, I think we've covered most of it. Best things one can have for immunity. I think these are the questions which were asked before, earlier we started. Anything else you would like to add to this whole thing? Like, I know we covered most of the things and there's so much of information I have grasped today, seriously, and myths have been burst. But anything else to summarize before we move on?
Summarize, how do we summarize it? It's simple. Ensure that you're having few immune modulating herbs on a daily basis. It is the need of the time.
Yeah.
Please make a habit of changing a habit, lifestyle, one thing at a time. कुछ एक चीज तो बदलिए so that your lifestyle is better for the future. This is for all people who are your age. I can always preach to them. Do not have alcohol, at least in summers. It is not recommended. If you have had vaccine, do not have alcohol for almost a month. This is again, because I told you the antibodies take 2 weeks to develop. Alcohols and smoking is immunosuppressant, so आप antibody बना ही नहीं पाओगे. So these are the things I would tell, and I will say have the entire Kofol range of products when you have any cold cough, right from Kofol immunity tablets to Kofol chewable tablets. You can have Kofol gargles when you have
syrup is so good. We have tried that.
Yes.
Syrup.
Yes. Yeah. और वो ना ready to use है, तो आपको वो गर्म पानी ठंडा पानी करना नहीं होता. All you have to do is just in the mouth, gargle and
not even bad in taste. मतलब अच्छा खासा है. It's like nice.
हाँ, it's nice, and even small babies can do it. I have taught my children to do it, so that at least once in a day they do it, because 2 बार with kids it's very difficult. But then you inculcate these habits in children. When you do it in the morning, bring them and show them how to gargle, and they will try. So these are nice things to do. When you're stepping out, before masking up, apply oil to the nostrils. Okay. Any oil. It could be nariyal ka tel, it could be til ka tel, it could be desi ghee. That's a protective barrier. Your mucosa is protected. You're layered, and then you wear a mask. Do not keep touching your mask very often. Eat on a right time. Do not sit very close to, maintain social distancing in current times. Eat really, really healthy seasonal food, which is a need of an hour. Exercise at home. Do not go jogging outside, because right now It's not good. And
Sleep
stay
cycle.
happy, yes, with a positive frame of mind. Positivity is necessary.
Yeah.
And before I end everything, I'll summarize Kofol immunity tablets with Giloy, with Haldi, with Tripla, with Ukul, and many more immune enhancing herbs is your choice. You can always try it. So this is it. Positivity of mind, body, and spirit. Be happy, stay healthy, and enhance your immunity. It is necessary to strengthen your immunity, not for today, not for these times. It is forever. If you
Lifelong.
get into that habit, it's lifelong. Because there are so many toxins surrounding us. Kitna fight karega one body if you don't give it enough fuel to fight it. So that is necessary.
You have to build your body for not only Corona, COVID-19, but in future also anything, you are already strongly immune.
No, immunity is necessary not for this virus. There are multiple viruses.
Exactly.
And also, as you are exposed to environmental toxins, the genes mutate.
Yeah.
So that also is a problem with immunity. If you're not healthy, your next progeny will inherit these weak genes and become more weaker.
Correct.
So why not strengthen it now? Because you're going to pass it down to the next generation. So if you're fit, your future generation is better.
That's true. That's true.
Right.
That's an amazing note to end with, and such an informative session, Dr. Manisha. Really, really helped in breaking up lots of myths. And seriously, I'm gonna implicate a lot of things in this. I was doing certain things wrong, to be honest.
You must. I'm sure you already do it. Before we end this session, I have sprained my ankle. Tell me one thing that I should do and I should get out of it very fast.
Okay, how many days it has been?
24 hours plus, one
Okay,
day.
so then we have to do icing for this because we have to reduce the inflammation and swelling. After 5-6 days, then we can move to hot packs. By then you will be fine just to improve the circulation and stuff. But right now for the sprain, it's better to, do cold packs and kind of you can do compression if there is a swelling. That would be the immediate thing. Then I'll tell you, what movements you should do so the circulation is better and then you'll be fine. Is it like really bad? I would like to see it after the session.
I will call you. I will call you and we'll discuss. Yes.
Sure. Alrighty. Thank you so much for this
Thank you
session.
so
Thank you, Manish, Dr. Manisha. Thank you, Charak Pharma, and thank you, Kofol Care, for having us and this amazing session. All right.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Be well. Bye-bye.
See you. Keep in touch.